catalytic converter, often called a CAT or CATCON, is an essential emissions control device found in virtually all modern, gasoline-powered vehicles and many diesel ones. Its main job is to reduce harmful pollutants from the engine's exhaust gases before they exit through the tailpipe, making cars far cleaner for the environment. Where it is located, the catalytic converter sits in the exhaust system, usually right after the exhaust manifold, close to the engine for quick heating, and before the muffler. It's a metal canister, often looking like a small muffler or box, bolted into the exhaust pipe. These diagrams show typical locations in a car's exhaust system, with the catalytic converter highlighted. How it works. The converter doesn't filter particles like a mechanical filter. Instead, it uses catalysis, speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed itself. Inside is a honeycomb-like structure, usually ceramic, sometimes metal, coated with tiny amounts of precious metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals act as the catalysts. The honeycomb design provides a huge surface area, often hundreds of square meters, for exhaust gases to contact while flowing through. Modern cars use three-way catalytic converters, the most common type since the 1980s, 1990s. They handle three main pollutants simultaneously: carbon monoxide, CO, a poisonous gas from incomplete combustion, converted to carbon dioxide, CO, via oxidation, 2CO plus O2CO, unburned hydrocarbons, HC, leftover fuel vapors that contribute to smog, oxidized to carbon dioxide, CO, and water, HO, CH plus, X plus wire 4, OXCO plus, wire 2, HO, nitrogen oxides, NOx, formed when nitrogen and oxygen in air react at high engine temperatures. Major contributor to acid rain and smog. Reduced back to harmless nitrogen, N, and oxygen, O. 2 NO N plus O, or similar reactions with NO. The process requires the converter to reach high temperatures, around 400 to 800 degrees Celsius, 750 to 1470 degrees Fahrenheit, to work efficiently, which is why it's placed near the engine and often has oxygen sensors to monitor and optimize the process. Diagram catalytic converter car exhaust system stock illustration. This cutaway-style diagram illustrates dirty exhaust entering the honeycomb structure coated with catalyst, where reactions occur, and cleaner exhaust exiting. Key facts. It can convert up to 98% of those harmful emissions under ideal conditions. It relies on the engine running at the right air-fuel ratio, controlled by the car's computer and oxygen sensors. Without it, tailpipe emissions would be dramatically worse. That's why catalytic converters became mandatory in most countries starting in the 1970s, 1980s. They contain valuable precious metals, which is why catalytic converter theft has been a problem in some regions. In short, the catalytic converter is one of the most effective devices ever added to cars for cleaning up air pollution from internal combustion engines.